Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to remove your Gmail account from another device. Most especially if you log in your Gmail account into another person's phone or on PC. So this is the right way to remove your Gmail account from the device. First thing first, open up the Gmail app. So I'm going to simply click on here to open the Gmail. So having opened up the Gmail, then let's, for instance, this is the Gmail account that you want to remove from the device. So the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. Just like so, it takes you to this particular page. Next thing you need to do is to click on manage account on this device. Just like so. Then you are going to select the Gmail account that you want to remove. Let's, for instance, I want to remove the first one right here. Click on it. Then the next thing you need to do here is to click on remove account. Then Google is going to ask you, removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from your phone. Simply click on remove account. With that, the account is going to be totally removed and nobody will have access to your Gmail account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove your Gmail account from another device without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe for more useful tutorial about Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.